Welcome back to yet another hunting video. Hunting video number 2 of the season. Right now we are at the old farm. Got Josh again. And right now we're gonna be searching for some turkeys. It's about 4 o'clock right now, and we're gonna go see if we can find some turkeys back in the forest back here. And then if not, we're gonna go to the deer hunting spot that we were at actually 2 days ago, which was my last video, and see if we can get on some more deer. And yeah, I guess that's it. Let's get in the forest and see if we can find some turkeys. Let's go. Alright guys, we have made it back to the same spot where we were at a couple days ago where I shot that first deer. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. I will leave the link in the description if you want to go watch that video. It's actually my first deer with my bow, so that was exciting. But we're back at the same exact spot. We're gonna see if we can see some deer this evening. We're gonna sit in the same stand that we sat in a couple days ago, and see if we can get some good footage of some deer. I have a lot better idea of where these deer are at now that I've been here a couple times, and I kind of found the trails of where they're moving and stuff like that. So hopefully we can see some big deer. Hoping that we can see a buck or two, and maybe put the deer on the ground. I don't know. I'm not really looking to sling any arrows tonight, but if we need to, I will. But I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. So let's get in the forest. Let's go. October 16th. Right now it's 5:42. We just made it in the stand. Got in pretty quiet, didn't spook too many. I think we spooked one on our way in. It's a really calm afternoon, no breeze. It's like 65 degrees out right now. Should be a pretty nice evening. See if we can see some deer. Spot up the hill. We're gonna see a lot of deer. Didn't see any down here, so we're gonna make a move real quick. Don't got much time left, but we're gonna see if it pays off. So let's go. Guys, it is the next day. I'm back at the same land that I was at yesterday. It's a really calm evening tonight. No wind, absolutely no wind. And it's about 60 degrees again, so should be a warm evening, should be a good evening. I'm gonna see if I can see some more deer. I'm actually gonna sit in the stand that we moved up to last night by myself tonight. This is a solo mission tonight, so let's see if we can get in there. I'm running kind of late, so I gotta hurry up and get in there, get in the stand, and see if we can see some deer tonight. Let's do it. Alright guys, we made it in the stand. It's 6:15 right now. We made it in pretty quiet. Spooked one in the corn on the way in. He was just laying down in the corn, but I'm really excited. I think we're gonna see a lot of deer tonight. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys, round 3 at a new set of land today. Actually hunted this land last year on this exact day. We saw quite a few deer. If you guys haven't seen that video, drop it down in the description. You guys can go check that out. RJ missed a decent buck last year, but we're gonna give it a shot this year again. We're gonna be sitting in a little wooden ground blind today, just over this hill over here. They actually have all the crops out, so which is really good. Hopefully the deer are moving tonight. So yeah, that's about it. Gonna get all the bows ready, get camoed up, and get in the blind. Let's go. Tall grass around us, and the corn is out, so that's good. Hopefully this deer are gonna be moving tonight. So we'll see what happens. Should be a good set. See if we can see some more. Let's do it. We just had a decent little buck come walking out about 200 yards away from us. He went to the cornfield over the hill over there, so didn't really get a good look at him. I think he was about a 3x3, so little guy, but we also just saw a little doe walk out. Took the same path as that buck. Oh, I thought about 5 minutes ago. I thought it was small. So, it's a good sign. It's a great sign. We got about 10 minutes left to shooting light, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's October 30th. Day before Halloween. Made it back in the 2-man stand with Josh again. Got a little bit chillier out today than the last couple of days, so hopefully these deer are on their feet. Not really looking to kill a deer tonight, but if I see a big buck, might sling an arrow. I don't know. Haven't seen any big bucks this season yet, so we're hoping these deer are on their feet. The rut's kicking in, so you never know what could show up right now. So, see what happens.